Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I know it has been a while since I've sat down and filmed a beauty video. I know it's been so long. My sister was in town, in case you guys didn't see like my mukbang with her. She was visiting for 2 weeks, so I was really like trying to make the most of my time with her because she comes every single summer. This summer she only came for 2 weeks. Normally she would come for like a month, but she only came for 2 weeks this summer, so I really wanted to dedicate like my time to her. So that's why I was like MIA on YouTube. But I do have other news for you guys. I am in a new beauty room. I don't know if you guys can tell. I switched rooms with my boyfriend, so I took his office and he took my old beauty room because this room is like in a part of the house where it gets better lighting and it's not as dark, and I was like kind of over how dark my room always was. So let me know if you guys can tell the difference in this room. I do have the same background, that's why it kind of obviously looks very, very similar. But yeah, I will do like a beauty room tour eventually. I have to get this whole room like situated, figure things out, and so on and so forth. Anyway, so for today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new Dyson attachment. So if you guys are new here, if you're not new here, whatever the case is, I love the Dyson Airwrap. It is the only, like one of the only hot tools that I use to style my hair every single day. And they recently, I don't know if it's recently, but this is new to me. It was on the Just Arrived page in Sephora, no, Ulta, that means that it's new. So these are the new 20mm 0.8-inch Dyson Airwrap barrels. So these are super, super small barrels. So these are what the barrels look like. They're very, very sleek. These are the ones that I use all the time. So as you can see, there is a significant difference. This one I believe is 1.2 inches, and then this is a 0.08. So they are very, very different in size. These ones, obviously, since they are smaller, they're supposed to make finer hair last longer. So I have really fine and thin hair. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, tighter, longer lasting curls that aren't going to fall so quickly on me. I need to test this out, give it a go. So yeah, so that's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to be comparing these and these. So I'm going to do one side of my hair with the new ones, one side of my hair with the old ones, and kind of see which one looks better. So if you guys are interested in seeing which one works better on my hair, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. My hair is like 80% dry. It's like pretty dry. I showered like a little over an hour ago, and I've just been letting it air dry while I did my makeup. So I did spray some leave-in in. I did use the Kenra blow dry spray. This has become my new holy grail product for my hair. I will talk about that in another video though. But so what I do is I just kind of separate my hair like this. So I will just kind of like do one half up, one half down. And that's how I style my hair when I do like blow it out for the first time. So then I will pull on my hair forward, and then I will take a clip and then pin one side so that it doesn't get caught up in the curls while I'm doing it. So I'm really, really excited to test out this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this side first. The arrows on it obviously point the way which you want your hair to go. So I want my hair to go away from my face. I want the arrows to be going this way. That's what I'm doing over here. Now that my hair is all separated, I'm going to go ahead and take a piece. I'm going to take like this piece and I'm just going to wrap it around. I'm so excited to see how this works. I love the longer barrels. For the Dyson, the smaller ones just don't do a good job. I really don't understand like the point of them. I use them from time to time, but I really just go towards the longer ones. So I'm really excited to see how this holds a curl. So I let it like dry my hair for about like 30 seconds, kind of, maybe like 20 to 30. Ooh, okay, so that is way tighter than they would normally look. Okay, let's do one piece over here just so you guys can see a quick comparison. Okay, so as you can see, this one is more like on the wavier side, and this one is more on like the curlier side. Can you guys tell the difference? So see how this one gave me more of a wave, this one gave me more like an actual curl. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of fast forward to this part and do my hair. I do actually like this side a little bit better because I have finer hair. So for my hair to hold a curl, I really need it to like be super, super tight. I just finished this side, so my hair definitely looks a little bit more tighter and bouncier than it normally would. So I'm going to take some texture spray. This is from Ava NYC. This is their shape-shifting texturizing spray. I'm just going to spray it in my hair to kind of hold those curls for now. Now we're going to go ahead and finish on this side. Okay, so this is this side done with the bigger barrel, the 1.2. So as you can see, these curls are a lot bigger. So with this, these curls look really, really nice, but like I said, I do comb through them, so they do become more of like a wave, and they don't hold super, super good like throughout the day. They will kind of like fall, and they'll keep somewhat of a wave. So yeah, like if they stay like this a little bit with like a little bit of like zhuzhing, they would be good, but they kind of do fall. And as you can see, this side is a lot tighter, so this side I am liking more so far. This is not the finished product, so I'm not going to have like little Shirley Temple curls. We're going to style it, comb it out, all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and spray some texture spray on this side. Okay, so since I still have the barrel on this one, I'm going to go ahead and quickly finish up this side with the bigger barrel. Okay, so this side is completely done. I do use a round brush to do my bangs, so that's why they're still straight. So as you can see, these curls are really nice right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just spray this side with some texture spray. I'm going to go on to the final part of my hair. I can already feel the difference between the two. This barrel definitely holds the curl like tighter. Obviously it's a tighter barrel, but it's crazy how I can just feel the difference like in the way that it holds my hair. Alright guys, so this is this side completely finished. As you can see, it is a lot like bouncier. So I'm going to go ahead and do my bangs really, really quickly. I'm just going to spray some texture spray. Okay, so now that my hair is completely finished, I'm going to go ahead and like use my fingers to kind of comb through it just a little bit like underneath. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Alright, so now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to comb through my hair. So this is how this side looks. As you can see, it does look nice and wavy, but this won't last. It won't stay this like tight like all day. It'll kind of just like fall, which is fine. Like that's typical, like normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. I'm just hoping that by using this barrel, it makes them hold a curl or a wave a little bit longer. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what this side looks like with the larger barrel, and then this is what this side looks like with the smaller barrel. So if I was you guys, I would probably go with this side because this side looks more relaxed, but like I said, I know that this will eventually fall. So I'm really interested to see how this side will look because I do like how the curls are. Like, I don't know, like let me know what you guys think. I don't know if you guys were even able to see, but as you can see, they are like tighter, and then this side is obviously more loose. But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know if you were interested in the smaller barrel. I picked it up because I do want tighter curls to last a little bit longer throughout the day. That was my reasoning for picking it up. So let me know down below which side you guys like better. Like I said, this side looks really good right now, but I know, like I just feel it in my bones that it's going to fall because it does it to me every single time, but it does fall more to like a straight wave than like this kind of like loose wave that we have going on right now. But yeah, that's besides the point. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!